Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to land online translation jobs with the renowned international translating company. ITC has been at the forefront of the language solutions industry since 1969. If you're interested in working as a freelancer with ITC, head over to their website and scroll down to find the Career Opportunities button at the bottom. Click on it to explore the procedures and requirements for applying. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.